Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing this inventory home available at Bonita National Golf and Country Club. This is lot 632. It's a Maria floor plan, part of the executive line of homes here at Bonita National. This is a non-golf home here, so no annual dues for the golf membership. The Maria is a 3-bedroom plus den, 3-bath, a little bit over 2,200 square foot home with a 2-car garage, tile roof. You'll have a paver driveway here. This home is going to be ready here within a few months. Now let's walk inside and take a look here at this opportunity. As you come in the entry here, to the right on the Maria, you're going to have your guest bedroom up front here. And that's your closet there. You'll have the bifold closet doors. You've got your guest bath right here, which is going to have the combination tub and shower. You'll have a single sink and commode. And then you have access right here into your den, or what could be used as additional 4th bedroom here. But we're going to walk out here and take a look. You will have some pocket doors on either side that you can close this off. And there's a closet right there as well, so you can make this into a bedroom again. And then directly to our left here, you're going to have the laundry, access to the garage. You're going to have a full-size washer and dryer and cabinetry above here. And this is technically your 2nd guest bedroom. So if you got your guest bedroom here, you'll have a bifold closet door there. And then this one has its own bathroom. So you're going to have the single sink, the commode. And here you're going to have a shower as opposed to the tub. So a real nice feature here, so this bedroom gets their own bath. Now coming out, you've got the nice great room area here. This area where you see this tray ceiling right here, this is your dedicated dining space. And then you've got your great room area there under the big tray ceiling. And you've got your kitchen overlooking everything here. So you're going to have your granite countertops, your wood cabinetry, you're going to have stainless steel appliances across the board, including a washer and dryer, by the way. Looks over the great room really nicely here. And then you get this really big pantry that you're going to get right here as well. And here in the back, you have your master suite. So it's a really nice sized master bedroom, plenty big for a king size bed. As we turn around here, you'll also notice that there's sliding glass doors leading out to your lanai pool area. You're going to have the dual closets, one on each side here. One's more of the walk-in style like you see here. And then this leads you into the formal bath here, where you're going to have your dual sinks, your mirrors, you're going to have your glass enclosed shower right here, linen closet, and then this will be your water closet right there. And last but not least is the view. You get a really nice and serene preserved view on this property here. So you come out to triple sliders. First thing you notice here, you're gonna have a full outdoor kitchen here. And then here's your view here of the preserve at Bonita National. This pool area will be fully screened in. You do get a pool and spa package here, which means it's also gonna be heated. So you do get the heater on this one as well. And you can see over there one of the existing homes with the screen already on the pool. All right, guys, so this is the Maria floor plan available now. If you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all the contact information below. This is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.